Okay, just another update with Stella here at the beach. As you can see, she has built the courage to go this far out into the water, so we keep getting deeper and deeper. She's trying her luck, I think, to see how far she can make it. Look at her. She keeps walking into the depth. I don't know where she's obviously she's trying to follow Mommy and Emma. So she's pulling me into the depth, so as you can see, she's getting too excited. Where are you, Stella? Come back, Stella. Stop going to the depth. Stella. Stop jumping. Come here. Yeah, she's just wanting to walk straight out into the deep, and Stella, leave it. Uh-oh, here comes a big wave. Oh, Stella, stop. Stella, stop. Come here. Stop. Close, I think I got. Okay, that's better. She's not scared, she just wants to keep going to the depth. Look at her go. Stella, where are you going? No, Stella, come here. As you can see, she's going way into the deep now. She's going for the swim. Stella, come here. Alright, come back. You're going way too deep. Go on. As you can see, she's really excited about this whole swimming thing in the water. She was trying to go to the waves. Oh, Stella. She is. Now she's going to be following Mommy. Ah, Stella, careful. Just checking on them. She'll be okay. Yeah, there she goes into the depth again. Yeah, now she's building the... Leave it. Now she's building the courage. As you can see, she's already a lot deeper than when she first started. That's Stella for you. Alright. I'll post more videos, but I'll have to cut this one here because I don't want myself to be very long videos of just walking the beach. I'll post more videos of the new updates to let you know how she's doing. Alright, take care you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, see ya.